you're doing great today. So I just wanted to quickly share that I shoot using my phone versus the gimbal, and honestly this is something all we need to explore before jumping into straight making the perfect video. So initially I took high quality footages and I have edited into a mobile phone. Definitely my captures was really a good quality, but the editing, my compatibility of the device does not support, and it made my all the videos blur. But later I got to know we just have to go for the editing into laptop. But before that, the recording and footages and capturing using what device, that should be a very accurate. So I tried both mobile and gimbal. When it comes to creating a really good content, it's not just about hitting the just record. There are a lot of things we need to understand, how exactly it works, how the color gradient, the quality, lightning, and everything about 4K view or HD that you call for quality, how the FPS work, and the how exactly the video footages is taken. That matters a lot. Where I have tried the actual mobile camera where the footages are really blur, and I can't even that edit along with my DJI Osmo Pocket 2 videos. So I used the Protect app in my mobile phone, and using that application all the footages I have shared. That's why this comparison is at least looking great to understand what exactly we can do with. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're clear with how exactly the gimbal is best with respect to many compact features. Both the device, if you're having one mobile phone, you can create a good quality content. Also, I tried capturing a lot of photos in both, as you can see, where FPS also matters. My mobile gives the 50 megapixel camera, where so I have took many shots in nature about the flowers, leaves, sky, and yes, definitely the gimbal gives me a pretty decent quality, smoother cinematics, as you can see the comparison of both. So I hope you have understood the what exactly the difference into the mobile and gimbal. The mobile phone is the Redmi, where all I just understood is that before creating something, we need to take time and explore and understand how all these elements like quality, color gradient, 4K view, FPS, aspect ratio, and many more things like this. Especially if you're shooting in nature and flower, or even just walking in a normal shot, we have to consider the different settings very high priority. So I am going to keep experimenting and testing all this into my upcoming videos. And if you are on the same journey, don't stress, we are learning as we go. It's all part of fun. So let's keep pushing, keep creating, and most importantly keep improving. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video.